So here in this problem, we are given a condition that 1 over a plus 1 over b equals to 1. Using this condition, then we need to show that these 3 points, a comma 0, then 0 comma b and 1 comma 1 are collinear in nature. So let us begin. We know that 3 points with coordinates x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 are collinear. Then the condition, the absolute value of x1 times y2 minus y3 plus x2 times y3 minus y1 plus x3 times y1 minus y2, that must be equals to 0. We're going to use this particular fact. So here we will assume that x1 comma y1 corresponds to the point a comma 0. Then we have x2, y2 that corresponds to the point 0 comma b, and we have x3, y3 corresponding to 1 comma 1. Now we will have the absolute value of x1. So x1 corresponds to a. Then this will be multiplied to y2 minus y3. So y2 is b minus y3. So y3 corresponds to 1. Added to x2. x2 is 0. So 0 is multiplied to y3 minus y1. So that's going to be 1 minus 0. Plus we need x3. So x3 corresponds to 1. So 1 will be multiplied to y1 minus y2. So that's 0 minus b. This will be equals to the absolute value of, so a multiplied to b minus 1. So that's ab minus a. So this term goes to 0. Then we have 1 multiplied to 0 minus b. So that's simply negative b. Fine. Now we have 3 terms. Now what we'll do? From the 3 terms, we're going to take ab as the common factor. So ab will be now multiplied to 1 minus a over ab minus b over ab. Fine. So that's going to be simply equals to absolute value of ab multiplied to 1 minus 1 over b minus 1 over a. Now this expression is going to go to 0. That's because we are given here, since 1 over a plus 1 over b equals to 1, then that would mean that 1 minus 1 over b minus 1 over a is simply equals to 0. So that means we have absolute value of ab multiplied to 0, which is equals to 0. So we're getting the condition that the absolute value of this particular expression is equals to 0. So that means that these 3 points are indeed collinear in nature, hence proved.